Hi, let's do a little training video over Desmos. It's a very nice graphing program that you can use. So I want to click on Graphing Calculator and we get this set up here. I've already have some sample data for us to use. So if you click over here where it says 1 over on the left, you click that plus, it will give you options about how you can input data and different things. I want to select table because I already have my data. I want to just type it in. Let's see, 8 and 26, 7, 35, 15, and 3, and 23, and 1. So I've got my data typed in. I've looked over at the graph, I don't really see much. Now you can move these around a little bit, but the neat thing is, if you go up to where this wrench is, where it says graph settings, and click on it, it gives you a bunch of different options. One of them is to label the sides. So we're going to label the X as time in seconds. And it gives you an option about where to start and stop your graph. So I want over here on this part, let's say I want to have just a little bit of space over there. So -1. And for the X, if I look, I'll go all the way to 23. So I want to increase that a little bit. Let's say 26. 26, not 126. And then on my Y, I want to do something similar. Let's say this is distance in meters. And I want to again change this. I want to give it a little bit more space maybe. So let's say -2 on this side. And I need it to go for the Y's up to, let's say, 85. And then you click off to get your full screen. Now if you look, okay, here's the sides labeled. That's good. I want to maybe bring that up just a little bit. I've got one data point that's really out of the normal. So if I look back over here, I messed that up. So if you make a mistake, that's easy. Just click on it and type in the correct number. It will automatically move that point for you. So you don't have to redo things. Now, not only does it plot the points, it also gives you a line of best fit or a curve if you need one. So if you click on 2, give the generic equation to what you think that might be. It looks mostly linear to me. So I can type in the generic form of a linear equation. Y equals mx plus b. And it will give me these options here where I can click on all. It will let me adjust those. Now if I click on that slide, it will give me a range to go by, where if I don't, it looks like it goes by 0.1, and we go from 10 all the way to -10. Well, I know my slope's not negative, so I can make a change to that. So if I click on this, I can go slope to 0 to 10. And let's say instead of increments of 0.1, I want increments of 0.05. So now, as I slide this around, I get increments of 0.5. This controls the y-intercept. And again, I have options where I can change this that, let's say, go from -2 to 5 with a step of 0.1. I do that, so now it restricts that range, and so I can finally tune that y-intercept in. So let's see, let's play around with it and see if we can get the slope right. That's not too bad. Let's see if we can get, tilt it up a little bit. Let's see, somewhere there. You just kind of play with it, until you get it. So that lines up fairly well. So you may have to play with it. Some of your data not be perfect, but get the best line that you can. But this gives me what my equation is. This is my slope. This is my y-intercept. So the equation for this line would be y equals 3x plus 2. And then you can copy this graph into a lab or a assignment sheet or something like that. So you just copy and paste that in, and you've got your graph done. Thank you. And that was just the generic basics of Desmos. Have fun graphing, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.